Hello and welcome to the NewsRamp Events Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, ready to guide you through today's most important stories. NewsRamp.com brings you curated business news from top sources, keeping you informed and ahead of the curve. A quick note before we start. This podcast is created using AI and AI voices, but all the news stories are real, and you can find the complete articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Monday evening, September 29th, 2025, and we've got an exciting lineup of events news waiting for you. So whether you're driving, taking a break, or winding down for the day, let's get right into it. Our first story today is
The Platform Group A Strategy and Update Session Invitation. The Platform Group AG, a leading software company for platform solutions, is inviting investors, analysts, and financial media to its Strategy and Updates session on the 2nd of October 2025 in Frankfurt, Maine, and virtually via webcast. The session will include updates from key executives on various segments such as pharma platforms and optics and hearing, as well as strategic projects and outlook for 2026. The event will be conducted in English, followed by a networking lunch. For registration and more information, visit the provided links. The Platform Group AG operates in 27 industries with locations across Europe, generating EUR 525 million in sales in 2024.
Q&A with Ian Frederick, Trade Commissioner of Pro-Chile in Los Angeles. San Francisco will host the Chile Tech Tour 2025 from October 6 to 10, where Chile's top innovators will connect with Bay Area investors and tech leaders during San Francisco Tech Week. Ian Frederick, Trade Commissioner of Pro-Chile in Los Angeles, will be in San Francisco to discuss the companies and why Chile is emerging as a serious player in the global startup scene. The vision behind the Chile Tech Tour 2025 is to position Chile as a rising global hub for technology and innovation, creating direct bridges between Chilean founders and U.S. investors. San Francisco was chosen as the host city due to its status as the heart of the global innovation economy. The tour aligns with San Francisco Tech Week by bringing high-growth international startups to the Bay Area, showcasing Chilean startups excelling in AI, sustainability, and future industries. The delegation includes companies in clean energy and climate tech, health and biotech, smart cities and AI, and food and lifestyle tech, all ready to expand into the U.S. market. These startups were selected for their scalability, innovation, and alignment with global market demands. Chile offers founders a highly educated talent pool, market access to over 3 billion consumers, robust funding and ecosystem support, and pro-innovation government policies. The biggest message for tech leaders is that Chile is an innovation economy with founders ready to co-create the future in AI, sustainability, health, and smart cities, driving growth and impact globally.
NeuroOne announces virtual investor webinar on October 7, 2025 at 8:30 a.m. EST. NeuroOne Medical Technologies Corporation will host a virtual investor webinar on October 7th at 8:30 a.m. EST. The webinar will cover business operations, recent FDA clearance, and corporate updates. Participants can join via webcast link or dial-in numbers provided. NeuroOne is focused on improving surgical care options for patients with neurological disorders. The company develops minimally invasive solutions for EEG recording, monitoring, ablation, and more. For more information, visit nmtc1.com. Rafael Marrero, founder of the MSI2, will receive the distinction as one of the top entrepreneur of USA. Dr. Rafael Marrero, founder of the Miami Strategic Intelligence Institute, MSI2, will be honored as one of the top entrepreneur of USA at the awards ceremony on October 9, 2025, in Miami. The prestigious award recognizes exceptional performance and leadership in the business field. The event will feature a cocktail and formal dinner, providing a networking opportunity for entrepreneurs and community leaders. The Top Entrepreneur of USA Awards celebrate professional success and inspire others to excel. The ceremony, organized by Negocios and Ejecutiva magazine, highlights dedication, innovation, and positive impact within the entrepreneurial community. Boca International Jewish Film Festival to host exclusive premiere of Red Alert at Movies of Del Rey. The Boca International Jewish Film Festival will present the Palm Beach County premiere of Red Alert on Saturday, October 25, 2025, at 7 p.m. at Movies of Delray. Directed by Lior Shafetz, Red Alert depicts the largest massacre in Israel's history, honoring the courage and resilience of survivors. The event will feature a screening of the first episode, followed by a discussion with Shafetz, Nati Dinar, and Bat Sheva Yahalomi. This premiere marks the launch of the Boca International Community IEF, a partnership supporting Israeli storytelling. Red Alert will be available for streaming on Paramount Plus starting October 7, 2025, but this event offers an exclusive opportunity to see it on the big screen. For tickets and more information, visit the Boca International Jewish Film Festival website.
October at the Schmidt Boca Raton History Museum. The Schmidt Boca Raton History Museum invites the community to explore history in 2 ways this October. Join them for a free, family-friendly craft activity on October 4th, where kids can design their own welcome signs. Then on October 8th, attend a thought-provoking evening lecture on Washington's Army in the Revolution as part of the Town Hall Talk series. RSVP is required for the lecture. Learn more at bocahistory.org. The museum's mission is to collect, preserve, and share the rich history of Boca Raton.
Air Force veteran brings D1 training to St. Augustine. D1 training, a fitness concept based on athletic training, is opening a new location in St. Augustine on October 13th. Led by certified trainers, the facility aims to help people of all ages reach their fitness goals. The grand opening event on November 8th will feature a ribbon-cutting ceremony. Air Force veteran Chris Seberg, a St. Augustine resident for over 20 years, is bringing D1 training to the community. Offering programs for all ages, D1 training focuses on dynamic warm-up, performance, strength, core, and conditioning. With over 150 facilities nationwide, D1 Training is seeking franchisees who are passionate about fitness and youth sports. For more information, visit the D1 Training St. Augustine website or call 904-584-3540.
Leading to Win 2025, Bridging the Gap events brought together veterans, leaders, military, and civilian communities in Texas. The Leading to Win Texas Foundation successfully hosted Leading to Win 2025, Bridging the Gap, a 4-day event that brought together service members, veterans, spouses, employers, and community leaders in Texas. Highlights included a 9/11 memorial reception, a Friday conference and resource fair with subject matter experts, and a Texas Army ROTC tailgate. With over 20 sponsors and donors, the event emphasized collaboration between military and civilian communities to empower veterans and strengthen Texas. For more information about the foundation and future events, visit leadingtowin.org. The Dairy Alliance launches first-in-the-nation portable milk dispenser in Tennessee. The Dairy Alliance, a nonprofit funded by dairy farm families, launched the Udderly Cold portable milk dispenser in Tennessee. This innovative system keeps milk at a consistent 35 degrees, enhancing flavor and encouraging students to drink more milk. The dispenser holds up to 25 gallons of bulk milk bags and can dispense up to 400 perfectly portioned servings. Local leaders and students celebrated the launch, highlighting the benefits of fresh, high-quality milk in schools. This initiative aims to support student health and sustainable nutrition, promoting lifelong healthy habits. By partnering with schools and dairy farmers, the Dairy Alliance is making a meaningful impact on student wellness in Tennessee. For more information, visit thedairyalliance.com. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Events podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.